What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to Comment Sunday. Every Sunday I bring up your comments throughout the week, and if you're new to the channel and wondering what's going on, basically I like to do this because it gives you guys a voice in the comments below, just to see what was being said from my videos throughout the week. There is not that many this week, guys. My bad. I'm sorry I didn't have any videos out on Friday and Saturday. I was just busy, but I do plan to have a video out every day next week. So this won't be a very long video. It'll be probably pretty quick, but again, guys, do check out my other videos and the ones I'm covering. We are the discussion channel for cars, what's going on in the car community on YouTube. Also, guys, one thing I want to mention, I never actually really mention my videos, is if you're a regular watcher or anything, do tag me in videos you want me to check out. If there's videos you want me to check out and give my discussion or comments on, do tag me in the video or message me on Instagram. You're more than welcome to message me on Instagram. My DMs are always open, even just to have a chat or any videos like that. And yeah, I'll check out the video and see if I end up making a video about it. And also, guys, in 2 weeks time we will be bringing up the video for the discussion for Project Car. I have a few cars in mind. I'm going to make a video of all my previous cars back in my younger days that I used to modify as well. I'm going to make a video to show you what kind of cars I had and what way I modified them back in the Fast and Furious days as well. So that'd be a pretty cool vid to dig up some old school cars I used to modify and give you kind of an insight to what kind of way I like to modify my cars. But yeah, today, guys, is just, I think I only made 3 videos during the week. Probably the one that got probably the most comments was the me reacting to vehicle versions garage update video. I thought this video probably would have done a bit better because it's vehicle versions, and his video recently has gotten like 133,000 views, so he could be maybe getting back on an upward trend. So just the comments on this one, guys, is shit, this channel growing a wee bit since I last seen. Great, keep grinding, man. So Snake Toms, thanks very much for the comment, guys. You've no idea, unless you actually start a YouTube channel, in any category, it is literally saturated with every category in YouTube is saturated. It is very, very difficult to motivate yourself to make content, especially when it's not your full-time job, and when you're putting out videos nearly every day. For me, it's hard because I don't have the resources that the majority of car channels have. I don't have supercars around me. I have shit weather all the time. I can't really vlog. I don't even have a project car. Going down this road for me is what I can do, but this channel won't be just always discussion. There will be vlogs, there will be project cars. I know when I get a project car for this channel, it's probably going to get a lot bigger very, very fast. But I'm not rich. I live on my own, I have bills to pay. So I know this channel isn't going to be for everybody. I get that. It's just disheartening and hard to put out videos when you're trying your best to give honest, no bullshit feedback to you guys about videos I watch and to just chat to you guys in discussion. And I know some people don't like hearing some of the truths, I'd say, but that's just the way this channel is. I'm not going to lie. It's a very transparent channel. That's always the way it's going to be. And it's to discuss with you guys and give you guys advice. So yeah, just want to say that. Next one was D-Man69. Absolutely loved 600 LT of his. He had a heck of a year, but hope he's bouncing back. Yeah, look, guys, it's always, as much as the damage and shit that Parker's done for vehicle versions, look, it's great to have him on our channel as long as he just goes back to his old self and grinds on and gets this shit in the past. I'm fine with it. He does have a ridiculously good car collection, and I do love his 600 LT. I can't wait to see him do more content with it. It's probably one of my favorite car YouTubers cars out there. So I mean, look, we'll just have to see how he does. I'm interested to see what way it'll come out and how his videos do. I wish I could get the traction he does. If I could get 13,000 views or 30,000 views in a video, I'd be delighted, but that could be a while yet. I tell you, Tilly, who always usually comments on my videos, he said he does have an excellent selection: Ferrari, McLaren, Lamborghini. That to me is a perfect garage. I'm so glad he got rid of the Rolls and Benz. And I agree with him. I said the same. Yeah, he does have a very good balanced selection. And you know, having the Rolls, as was the Bentayga, I think he had, and the Benz. It just didn't fit in with his channel. It was stupid. I said it in my video that he tried to be like this baller, fit in with the cool kids and the rap crowd, and it was a no-go. Like, it just didn't work for him, and he was just, at the time, it was a stupid decisions. And he said he was paying like 4K for the Bentayga, was it? Or the Cullinan, sorry. Rolls-Royce Cullinan, that was it. $4,000 a month. That's insane. He should stay away from them, stick with the sports cars. And again, guys, you can comment below in this video and let me know how you think vehicle versions is doing. It'd be pretty interesting, because you know, that's what we're here to do, to discuss this kind of stuff. One of my videos during the week was Emelia Hartford basically set a new world record with her C8, because it is the only, I'm pretty sure it's the only C8 that's done this so far. And there's only one comment on it. My good friend and from Sports and Touring, check out his channel, guys. He has a gorgeous 370Z Nismo, and he has an R8 GT Spider manual, or sorry, not manual, but auto. And yeah, he just said what was cool is that seems Emelia's car has more in it with a bit more tuning. And it does. She even said it does. When she turned around and said that in her video, going, I could probably get more out of this, I was like, Jesus Christ, it's already hitting into the 9.4s. Like, that's scary. If she can get that lower, like, imagine if she got into the 8s, that would be fucking insane. Like, the thing is a beast of a C8. She's put so much work into it. She's gotten a new garage as well, and like, she is just, her elevation is just insane. It just keeps getting bigger and bigger. She's like, I think she's well on her way to getting to 1 million subs this year. She should, the way she's been doing content. Like, she's just been cranking it out, and it's been good. I don't cover that much. Just, I'm very picky about what I cover on her. I don't watch all her videos. I do like her channel, but not always do I watch it, and that's just me being honest. I'm picky about what I watch, guys. I'm big into my project cars more than often. As well. And then just the last one was the one I used, the Driftworks. Their Lamborghini was insane. Like, you should check out the video. Absolutely sick Lamborghini. Basically Rollcam, guys, he's a new small YouTuber. He sells cars. His latest video, or one of his videos, was him checking out an Aston Martin. And you know, as I said, I always want to give small channels, if any what way, a leg up, to help them out. Definitely go check out his channel. It was a good little review of the Aston Martin, because I can't remember, I think it was the DB11. But yeah, he just gave me a few comments about the Lamborghini, and you know, just, yeah, he just, guys, just as I said, he was great. Like, Joe, if he's watching, thanks so much for commenting and subscribing. And guys, do check out his channel. It is worth you know, helping him out and seeing his content as well. So yeah, look, guys, I don't want to make it this long. That's basically it. I mean, if you're new to the channel, that's what we do every Sunday. Get involved. You know, I am going to have a video out tomorrow. Hopefully you like this kind of stuff. It's a bit different from other car channels, but again, it's you guys that make this happen. And I want you to be really heavily involved when we get a project car as well. And you know, listen to your thoughts and opinions below in the comments, because you know, that's what we're here to do. And yeah, so we'll leave it at that. I will definitely have a video out tomorrow. I'm planning to have a video out every day next week. So stay tuned for that, and hope you have a great Sunday. So stay safe, peace out, and keep it lit.